Did you know that in 2021, the value of all cryptocurrencies combined reached a record high of over $2.5 trillion? Despite this impressive milestone, cryptocurrencies have yet to achieve the level of adoption that many enthusiasts were hoping for. Now, let's delve deeper into the factors contributing to this phenomenon. Lack of understanding. As much as we'd like to think that everyone is a tech-savvy genius, the reality is that many people still don't understand cryptocurrencies. In fact, a recent survey found that only 14% of Americans have bought or owned any cryptocurrency. That's not exactly a high adoption rate. Volatility. One of the most common arguments against cryptocurrencies is their volatility. The value of Bitcoin, for example, has fluctuated wildly over the years, going from less than $1 in 2010 to nearly $65,000 in 2021, before plummeting back down to around $20,000. This kind of volatility can be intimidating for the average person, who may not want to risk their hard-earned money on such a volatile asset. Lack of regulation. Cryptocurrencies are still largely unregulated, which can be both a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it means that cryptocurrencies are decentralized and can't be controlled by any government or financial institution. On the other hand, it also means that there's no safety net in place to protect consumers from fraud or scams. Security concerns. Cryptocurrencies are only as secure as the platforms and wallets they're stored on. Unfortunately, there have been many high-profile hacks and security breaches over the years, which have eroded public trust in cryptocurrencies. According to a recent survey, 43% of Americans believe that cryptocurrencies are more susceptible to fraud and theft than traditional investments. Lack of merchant adoption. For cryptocurrencies to truly take off, they need to be widely accepted by merchants as a form of payment. While there are some major companies, like Tesla and PayPal, that now accept cryptocurrencies, they're still not widely accepted by smaller businesses. In fact, a recent survey found that only 3% of American small businesses accept cryptocurrencies as payment. In conclusion, there are a variety of reasons why cryptocurrencies haven't achieved the level of adoption that many people were hoping for. Whether it's due to a lack of understanding, volatility, lack of regulation, security concerns, or a lack of merchant adoption. It's clear that cryptocurrencies still have a long way to go before they become a mainstream form of currency. But who knows what the future holds? Maybe one day we'll all be using Bitcoin to buy our morning coffee. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.